Hello guys, welcome to IKM family. So today's match is for Pet Sochers versus Hobart Hurricane. So this is the match number 15. So before going to start our match, go ahead and follow our YouTube channel by searching Click 11 Expert and subscribe our channel first, and also follow our Telegram channel for daily updates. So today we are not going to share any teams in this video. So be ready online in the last 5 minutes of the deadline so that you will guys get the teams in Telegram channel. So please follow our Telegram channel to get the teams. So today's match is for Pet Sochers versus Hobart Hurricane. So this match is in the venue of Ilveri Oval and Hobart. So date and time of the match is December 20th and 1:45 p.m. IST. So live streaming will be available on Sony Star Sports Network and also Sony Live application. So going to the pitch report. So the pitch is good for batting plus paces. And the average score for this match is 160 to 170. So who won the toss will bowl first for this ground. So ground report, total match played in the ground is 9. So batting first won 7 times and bowling first won 2 times. So going to the head to head, total match happened here is 16. So in that Hurricane won 6 times and Scorchers won 10 times. So coming to the recent form, Hurricane lost 2 times and won 1 time, and Scorchers won 3 times continuously. So coming to the playing 11, pitch Scorchers, the openers is Curtis Peterson and Colin Munro. So Curtis Peterson is the left-hand batsman. So total match he played is 33. In that high score he got is like 55 and average run is 16. So last match he hit 13. Before that he hit 55 runs. So coming to Colin Munro is the left-hand batsman. Total match he played for this team is 22. In this average is 29. So high score is 114 runs the series. So next is one down is Mitchell Moss. So Mitchell Moss is a good right hand batsman as well as all-rounder. So total match he played is 63. In this total run he scored for his team is 1657 and total wickets he taken is 20. So next is Josh Inglis. So he is a wicket keeper and he is a right hand batsman also. So total matches he played is 42. So in this average score is 22. So next one is Ashan Turner. So Ashan Turner is a right hand off spinner. So total match he played is 87 and also he's a all rounder. So he scored runs also. So total wicket he taken in the series is 12. So next one is Laurie Evans. So he is a batsman. So he also hit like 30 to 40 runs in a match. So last few matches he hit 33 and 40 runs. So Ashton Agar. So Ashton Agar is a bowler as well as the all-rounder. So he's a good all-rounder. So he take wickets and he will score some runs for the teams also if we come for bat. So Andrew Tye is a complete bowler. He's a right arm fast bowler. So total matches he played is 72. In this he's a highest wicket taker. He takes 100 wickets and the best wicket he take is 4 wickets in a match. So next one is T Mills. Tymal Mills is a good bowler. He take at least 1 or 2 wickets. So last match he take 3 wickets and he is a left arm fast bowler for this team. So next is Jason Behrendorff. So Jason Behrendorff is a best wicket taker and also he take 1 or 2 wickets in every match. So Peter Hestalogu. So Peter Hestalogu is a good bowler. He is a right arm leg spin bowler. So he played 16 matches. In that 20 wickets he have taken. So best wicket he taken is 3. So coming to the open bowler, so every time the opener bowlers will be Tymal Mills and Jason Behrendorff. So coming to the death overs, so death overs Andrew Tye and Tymal Mills will be the death overs for this team. So coming to the bench player, Matthew Kelly, Cameron Bancroft and Aaron Hardy is the bench players. So next team is Hobart Hurricane. So Hobart Hurricane's team, so the openers will be Dacre Short and Matthew Ward. So Dacre Short is the best all-rounder. He hit 31 runs and also he take wicket also. So coming to the Matthew Ward is a good scorer. So some like last match he's not played well. So he take 93 runs in the last before matches and previous matches also he takes good run for the team. So Caleb Jewell is the one of the good batsmen for this team. So he also take 20 runs, 42 runs and last match he's not played good. So Ben McDermott, you guys all know like McDermott is also the good batsman. He's in the form. So his last match score is 41. So and also he's playing very well for the team. So Harry Brooks got opportunity for few matches, but he's not utilized the opportunity. So he's not having the good strike rate nowadays. So let's wait for today's match to see how he's batting. So Peter Hanscom is also the best batsman. This team is completely having the batting order, top batting orders. So today we will see like this team's power in the batting orders. So next is Tim David. Tim David is a all round. He's come as an all rounder. So he sometimes if he come to bat, he take 10 or 5 runs. His best will be like 10 runs like that. So he take 1 or 2 wickets. But last matches he is not taken wicket, and he strike, and he's like strike rate also not good, but he's come as an all-rounder. So if he got chances, he will take runs, and if he bowls 1 or 2 overs, he will take at least 1 wicket, like we hope from him. So Thomas Roger is a all-rounder. So he have just taken 2 wicket and 1 wicket, and also like 2 wickets in the last series, but nowadays like he's not also taking the wicket. So Northern Ellis is a good bowler, so he's just taken 1 or 2 wickets in the every matches. So hope we will get the best from today's match also. So next is really Madrid also the good bowler. He also having the 1 or 3 wickets in the all the matches. So he will take one at least 1 wicket for each and every match. So Sandeep Lamachan is the good bowler. You guys already know he take more wicket. He is capable of taking wicket. So last match he got an opportunity to bat in the match. So he take 13 runs in the batting side. So coming to the opener bowler. So in the opener bowler side, he is like Rayleigh Madrid and Northern Ellis is the opener bowler. So coming to the death bowlers, Northern Ellis and Rayleigh Madrid is the death bowler for this match. So coming to the bench bowler, Jas Khan, he's a ODI player, so he is a bench player, and Matthew Wright is the bench player, and Jordan Thompson got opportunity, but he is not came for bowling last matches. So he's also the bench player, and Scott Boland also the bench player. So guys, like be ready, available, and be ready for the team in the last minute, which is coming in the Telegram channel. So like most probably we will just give the good inputs in this match. So and also GL inputs also we have already given. So in that just be ready in the Telegram channel, so that you guys can get the good inputs for GL, as well as the team will come in Instagram also sometimes. So be ready to follow everywhere, and thank you guys, thank you once again for following us.